So here it is installed. I never took a video of this, and I didn't take 1 minute of video of me building the shelving, but there it is. Put this little support beam that needed to be done, and I've got supplies and stuff, food, spices, that kind of stuff. Fridge. Nice. Got steak for later. Can't wait. I love having a fridge. Having meat waiting for me. Having meat waiting for me. Nice. Alright, so that's just a quick little video I wanted to do. Oh, wait. Not done yet. New things. That's my neighbor. I think they're trying to get the dog in the car and doesn't want to go. Look, finally, new laptop, Finally. I've been using Windows Media. What is it? Windows Movie Maker to do my editing. The last couple of videos. I started with Dinner with Dan, and then a couple of videos after that on this laptop. It's so easy. So I'm also using, you can see right there, my old white phone, because these have memory cards. So I just recorded. They hold about 15 minutes worth, and then I've got a memory card adapter. Load it in there. Edit my movies, go to the library, upload them, done. So much easier on a computer than on a friggin' cell phone. Anywho, just want to show you that. And it's a beautiful day today. Let's see. It's been raining the past couple days. Yesterday was nice, today is nice. The ground is still, I think it rained overnight because the ground still looks wet. Alright, so that's that. I'll be posting another video coming up soon with some more news as soon as I get it.